Welcome to my channel. How to activate dual band Wi-Fi on router, full easy tutorial. 1. Connect to your router. Connect your phone, laptop, or PC to the router using Wi-Fi or LAN cable for stable access. 2. Open web browser. Open Chrome or any browser and type your router's IP address, 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. 3. Log in to router dashboard. Enter your admin username and password, usually printed on router sticker or manual. 4. Go to wireless settings. After login, find wireless settings/Wi-Fi settings/advanced settings section. 5. Enable 2.4 GHz band. Make sure the 2.4 GHz band is on. This band gives wider coverage and works well through walls. 6. Enable 5 GHz band. Turn on the 5 GHz band. This band provides faster speed and less interference, ideal for gaming and streaming. 7. Set separate Wi-Fi names, SSID, to easily identify both networks. Rename them like home_Wi-Fi 2.4G, home_Wi-Fi 5G. 8. Set strong passwords. Use a strong password, WPA2/WPA3 security recommended, to keep your network safe. 9. Save apply settings. Click Save/Apply and wait for the router to restart and apply changes. 10. Connect your devices. Now connect your devices. Use 2.4 GHz for long-range basic use. Use 5 GHz for high-speed heavy usage. Thanks for watching.